Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about Article 1 of the Indian Constitution. Is India only a country or something more? The answer is hidden in just one line of the Constitution, that is Article 1. This article explains what India is, how big it is, and why unity is more important than boundaries. So, we will discuss about Article 1 of Indian Constitution. Article 1 states that India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of state. In this article, three important words, that is India, Bharat, and Union of States. It also says that the territory of India includes territory of states, union of territory, any territory that may be acquired in future. Understand? Slowly, you can understand Article 1 of the Indian Constitution very easily. Please stay with me and focus on my language. If you need notes on Article 1, I will send to you on Telegram channel. India, that is Bharat, by two names. The Constitution uses both names. Understand? Constitution uses both name India and Bharat. India, modern international identity. Bharat, ancient civilization identity. India, modern international identity. Bharat, ancient civilization identity. This shows continuity of history, not a break from the past. Here you can get prelims tips. The constitution does not get give priority to one name over other. Examiner can give you one statement that constitution give priority one name over other. That's wrong. Constitution does not give priority to one name over other. Understand? Next point, union of states. The most important phrase. Why not federation of state? Why not federation of states? It's very important for your exam point of view because India Indian states do not have the right to secede. That is why India is union of state. Why not federation of state? I I have already said to you, Indian states do not have the right to secede. States are not sovereign. The union is indestructible. Understand? Very important concept. India is a union first, states later. Why not Federation of India, Federation of State? Because Indian state do not have right to secede. State are sovereign. Means to say, sorry, state are not sovereign. The union is indestructible. Very important concept. India is a union first, states later. Let's understand union. What is this word means? In India, the center is strong. States exist within the union. Even states boundary changes, the India remains intact. Indestructible union. and state can be destructible. Example, creation of Telangana. Creation of Telangana in 2014. Reorganization of Jammu and Kashmir in 2019. States changed. India did not break. This is exactly what Article 1 allows. Understand? Now let's discuss territory of India. Territory of India. What does it include? Article 1 clearly defines three components: territories of states, that is Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Assam, etc. Union territories, Delhi, Pondicherry, Chandigarh, Ladakh. And third point is acquired territory. This all included in territory of India. Territory of India includes territory of states such as states Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, union territories such as Delhi, and acquired territories. Any land India may acquire in future by treaty, purchase, or other legal means. Example, Goa in 1961 became part of India later. Sikkim 1975 joined India through a constitutional process. Understand? So, territory of India is bigger concept than territory of state. Territory of India includes states plus UTs plus acquired areas. Understand? Geographical concept. That is geographical concept. Territory of India is a geographical concept. Territory of India is wider connotation. Understand? That includes states, UTs, and acquired territory. Now, next question: can India acquire or lose territory? Can India acquire or lose territory? Yes, India can acquire territory or cede territory, give up land. But it's important to know first, India can acquire any territory without constitutional amendment, while give up or cede territory according to Constitution of India. To ceding our territory, we need constitutional procedure, parliamentary law. That is very important. How India can cede our territory? Supreme Court case, very important case. Berubari Union Case 1960. What is Berubari Union Case 1960? That is very important case. Berubari Union Case 1960. It This is the most important case related to Article 1. India wanted to transfer Berubari Union to Pakistan. You know about that. India wanted to transfer Berubari Union to Pakistan. Question: can India give away territory? Supreme Court now held that Article 1 alone is not sufficient. You cannot give territory without constitutional amendment under Article 361. If you want to cede our territory, you should do amendment in Article 368. Understand? So Article 368 is one of the important article to secede our territory. Key learning. One of the important learning is sovereignty of India cannot be altered by ordinary laws. Understand? Sovereignty of India cannot be altered by ordinary law. This case strengthens the constitutional sanctity of territory. Understand? Now another case, State of West Bengal versus Union of India case 1963. In this case, Supreme Court held that states have no independent sovereignty. States don't have any sovereignty. All about sovereignty is belongs to the Union of India. This case clearly confirms India is a indestructible union. Decided by the Supreme Court of India. No debate. India is a sovereign country. State can be destructible, but Union of India is not destructible. Understand? Now another question is emerged. Article 1 and federalism in India. India follows quasi-federalism. Understand? Quasi-federalism. India follows quasi-federalism. Federal in structure but unitary in spirit. Very important, बहुत important चीज है ये. India follows quasi-federalism, federal in structure and unitary in spirit. Why? Because state can be reorganized, boundaries can be altered, name of state can be changed, all without state consent. In some cases, union government or parliament needed states permission, but many cases state don't have right to sovereignty or don't have right to reorganize with yourself. All this is possible due to Article 1. Read with Article 3. Article 1 says that identity and territory of India, while Article 3, reorganization of state. Understand? So, what is federalism? Federal in structure. Our India is federal in structure, but unitary in spirit because state can be reorganized, boundaries can be altered, name of state can be changed. Understand? सो कॉमन यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स ट्रैप क्या क्या ट्रैप हो सकते हैं. इंडिया इज अ यूनियन, नॉट अ फेडरेशन. States have no right to secede. Territory of India is not fixed. Article 1 alone cannot be secede our territory. Constitutional amendment may be required. So let's summarize this. Article 1, India, that is Bharat. Bharat. Nature, union of states, territory. Territory include state, UTs, acquired territory, federal type, quasi-federal. Key important case, Berwari Union case 1960. State may change, boundary may change, but India remains one union forever. Thank you. Thank you very much. Revision is the key of success. जितनी ज्यादा रिवीजन उतनी करीब सक्सेस, रिस्क कम होता चला जाएगा. प्लीज फॉलो आवर चैनल, सब्सक्राइब, लाइक, शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स, योर फैमिली मेंबर. थैंक यू.